Now this is our I strategy 03, the same behavior get value, and now we are having a strategy context 03, where we are having a reference for our strategy, first thing. Then we are having a constructor for this strategy context, where we can pass on our initial first strategy that will be assigned to this reference. So initial strategy can be available through the constructor, but later on, if you need to change the strategy, you need this method to be used for this same context. Definitely the missing thing is here at this place, the context data. But you can easily imagine that there can be some data common to all these strategies. That can be, we can have those data over here, right? And then we have a method execute strategy, which will execute the strategy on two values A and B. calStrategy.getValue. This is our implementation, concrete implementation of strategy, where A plus B or A multiplied by B or maybe other operations, other algorithm can be applied. This operation, this concrete operation will be applied on this strategy that will pass either through the constructor when this context will be created, or through the setter method when we want to change the strategy for the same context. So this is another variation where we can have the same context data available to different strategies. Now simply you can imagine the use where what we can do is, we can, for the first time, we can create a new context where we can pass our strategy. Some get only instance depicts that we are using a singleton strategy object, and some. Similarly, now we need not to take the separate instance for the context if we are having, we need to use the same context. So same context dot set strategy, and we can pass on another strategy like product, and this will be executed on product. So another advantage that you will have in your application, suppose you need to perform the same set of algorithm on a different context in the same application. So you can have two different contexts working on strategy in the same application. So you can have another context object for another set of data. So this is another variation that can be possible with the strategy. More possibilities. Now you can think of other possibilities also. Suppose you cannot, you can have concrete strategy as singleton. We don't need this